Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Hey man, welcome back. Appreciate y'all for joining again and all the support. I'm mad hyped up on coffee right now. Best day ever mug right here. Real quick, man, like I say, thank you so much for the support. And because of that, we got a couple giveaways going on right now. As you guys know, we got this gold rope chain right here that we're giving away. If you guys can get 3,000 thumbs up within the day, boys, I know you can do it. If you can't, this is for 2,500 thumbs up in the day. Then we give away this diamond ring right here, real diamonds on it, stuff like that. Really do appreciate the support, boys. You guys have been killing it. Without further ado, let's get into this video. I want no time wasted. Oh, also, you gotta leave a comment down below. Also, my Instagram's right here. Let me know in messages once you do it. That's how I pick people. Alright, man, so I've been trying my hardest to bring you guys some really cool jewelry from companies that are really well known. We obviously, by the title, once again, have another jewelry purchase from Johnny Dang himself. If you guys don't know him, he's mad famous for giving all the rappers their jewelry.
That's the new piece.
It looks like a fun guy too, we can't lie about it. Oh man, I feel like I'm having a heart attack. This is the third cup of the day of coffee, boys. It's just been an addiction lately more than usual. The shakes are unreal. So let's get into it. What I actually got in this video is a watch from Johnny Dang. Not just any watch, a watch that in my opinion looks mad expensive because it says Johnny Dang on it. But also I got it from eBay for $130, boys. Now this watch, and I'll show you a picture later, this watch on his website with a bunch of crappy looking diamonds on it is $13,500. I got one without diamonds used for $130 off eBay. So just do the math there, it's good. The math is sick, it all lays out as if you didn't get this time, Brad. Thumbs up for that. That never happens. Watch me unbox this and there's just gonna be a on in it. So I've actually had this in my possession for like a week. I have been waiting to get this, man. Now we did say used. I'm not gonna lie, it does look a little used, but I'm not too worried about it because at the end of the day, it is Johnny Dang, and I think with stuff like that, it might hold its value a little more if I'm trying to resell it again in the future. I feel like we're speeding too quickly into this, man. I usually talk for 4 minutes, which y'all hate. I apologize. I'm a talker. Okay, it's becoming real, boys. 130 bucks. Oh, what I forgot to say too is that it actually cost me like 34 bucks or something because I found a gift card from eBay in my wallet. So we're really down no money on this thing, man. Without further ado, the newest purchase from... Oh my god! I think the buddy cleaned it first. This is the picture, boys. This is what I bought. I was a little concerned. It looks mad scratched up. You can see like the face or around the face of it. Doesn't look too sick. However, it says it's a B3C or whatever it's called, and I think that sounds kind of dope. And this is heavy, bro. This is the watch we just got for 130 or 34 if you will. As y'all could see it, he cleaned the thing, man. We got Johnny Dang around the side. I don't know how the f I'm supposed to read this. We got 60 where the 12 is, and we got a 5 where the 6 should be. Is this Johnny Dang time or what? Well, that's gonna be mad confusing. I can't tell time as it is. This is where it says Johnny Dang right there. Strap is black. That's real cool too. We just got, I don't know if you guys saw this video, but we just bought a diamond watch from Johnny Dang a little while ago. Not too great. Actually, off eBay as well. The watch strap sucks. So let me know actually if we should switch the watch straps and what face you guys like better. Oh, never mind. After further inspection of the straps, this one says the beer on it. I didn't take this to the bar. Give me the beer, bitch! And here is what he's selling on the website. Remember when I said it was like crap diamonds? Yeah, they got some black diamonds on it. That's the only difference. The watch strap is still the same too. We got the thing without the diamonds, which I actually prefer. Oh, I'm just in awe at how this looks. So, you know what? It's the fact that it says Johnny Dang. I'm kind of a poon for this, but I just like it because it says that. It's big and it's flashy. It's very big. I look like an asshole, but it's kind of cool. Now, one thing, we got a little surprise here, and this is actually really gonna work out. I thought, like, in the picture that it looks worth a lot more because it says Johnny Dang that it is. Ian's downstairs right now. He can't hear me at all. He's watching TV and grading papers or something like that. We're gonna bring Ian, the cameraman, back in this, boys. If you guys don't remember him, he used to be our old cameraman. I'm sure a lot of you guys do. He's actually my roommate downstairs. Dude's got a bar down there, boys. Anyway, let's go downstairs and ask cameraman Ian how much he thinks this thing's worth. But before that, man, of course, we got a word from our sponsors over at namebrandfam.com. Who are they? It's our website, man. The link is down below. Y'all have heard it before, and I'm gonna tell you again. We saw fake jewelry on there for a very good price. I pick all of the styles. You guys have been shopping it like crazy. All of like that money goes back into videos and beer funds. Not gonna lie, really appreciate it. Now, the thing with this website is everything's free. All I ask you to do is pay shipping, and you can actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. So don't add 1 thing, add 2 things. Check out with 1 shipping price. You guys are gonna be happy, hopefully. Yo, Ian.
Yeah.
You got a sec for the boys? I'm filming.
Okay.
Alright, cool. So, I just got this watch. I think I got it for a pretty good price. I want to see how much you actually think it's worth. Oh, first off, say what's up back to the boys again. Cameron, Ian, everyone.
Hey boys, what's up?
Dude runs the lair. So I just bought this. Don't tell Sarah.
Okay.
I know you're kind of like a classy guy. I feel like that's kind of a classy watch.
Where do you get this from?
eBay, but it's actually from Johnny Dang. I don't know if you've heard of him or watched him in videos.
Yeah, no, yeah, I've heard of that guy. You talk about him a lot.
Yeah. Very famous.
Yeah, he's a really good jeweler, right?
Yeah. So I got that for kind of a steal, I think. I want to see, like, how much you think that's worth. Just want to get your feels on it, man. I'm trying to just give an excuse to get you in a video, to be honest. Boys have been asking.
Okay. Geez, I don't know. How much was your Gucci watch?
I don't really want to talk about that. Was like thousands upon thousands.
To be honest, I kind of like this one better.
You like it, but
I don't know. It's just
don't say that. I spent way too much on this, man.
I'm just saying it's more my style, you know.
Yeah. Fair.
I don't know.
It's heavy too.
Yeah. I don't know. A couple grand maybe.
Look at this place. Yes, we got a title or something. That could probably make a title out of that. Cameron Ian thinks my watch is worth money for once. Cool.
Wait, was I wrong?
Buddy, I forgot to tell you. I got this on eBay for 130 bucks.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I was really wrong.
Yeah. This is actually the stupidest thing I've ever heard you say. You're usually pretty smart. Just kidding. But yeah, I actually ended up spending $35 on it because I had a gift card. But I wanted to kind of prove that it looks expensive.
Well,
and you said the right thing.
Fooled me.
Cool, man. Anyway, thanks for joining the video. Get back to what you're doing math problems for fun or what?
No, not fun.
No? Okay, cool. Can I show them your megalodon tooth?
Sure.
Oh, boys. All right, we're vlogging with you in for a sec. This is awesome. Can you turn on a light down here or something? Sorry for the bad lighting, boys.
Actually, that light can only be turned on from upstairs.
That light can only be turned on from upstairs. Let's just make my house sound even awfully than it is. Thanks. Cool. I just want to show you guys this. Whenever people come over, I ask Ian to show them. Funny story behind this. Ian and I don't know if y'all saw the vlog. We went to Vegas, right? To the Pawn Star shop. Ian's a geologist, loves rocks and weird stuff. Cool stuff, though. It's very sick. But he bought this from Pawn Stars. It's a freaking megalodon tooth.
That's a big ass shark.
Yeah. No, yeah. They'll definitely chomp through some nuts.
Yeah.
I don't know. I was thinking of like a nutcracker, not actual ball sacks, Ian. I don't know. It was a weird joke. All right. Anyway, there's this megalodon tooth. I feel like everyone needs to see it. Thank you for being involved in the video. And thank you for saying it looks like it's worth a lot of money. If you ever need to borrow it on a night out with the girls, let me know. Kind of douchey because I'm actually not doing you a favor. It's not worth much anyway. I'm just trying to make bad jokes. Bye, thanks. Get back to your stuff. Let me know what E equals MC squared is by the end of the day, eh? Thanks. Anyway, boys, there's the video. Appreciate y'all for watching. I don't really know what kind of... I'm not trying to drag out this video with stupid content, because it is what it is. We got a watch from eBay. Johnny Dang. Cool little thing for our jewelry review channel, or whatever you want to call it. I want to start calling it again a prank channel, but I can't be doing that with COVID, because people freak the F out. I've already tried for a video, and it didn't even get to go up on YouTube, because I got kicked out real fast. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Had to get Cameron Ian on this one. Let me know if you guys want him back for more bits and more vlogs and stuff like that. I think he'd be down if I cut kind of the act of like being a real ASS in public, because he can't be doing that with his job. So appreciate y'all, man. American the Game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Once again, let me know what you guys think about this watch. I just thought it was a mad steal. I'm so glad he cleaned it off too, man. And once again, what did I say? No, $13,500 just to add diamonds to it on the website. Not the band, just this on the website. I think it's a major steal. Anyway, there we go. Back in action. Now we're not in action anymore because I bought